Holy shit.
Holy shit, film that.
Holy shit.
Holy shit, they're going on the other side of the road. People are running across the field. They're running across the field. Pull focus,
Holy
pull focus,
fuck.
pull focus.
Jesus Christ.
Shit, people are just kind of walking wherever the fuck they want.
Yo, nobody cares.
Oh shit, they bashed out all the glass.
Shit.
They bashed out all the glass on the thing. They got riot shields. Here they come.
Yo,
here they come. They're
fuck.
gearing up. They got riot shields. Holy shit.
Yeah, that's
Holy
what
shit.
I said. That's what I said. At least a couple inches of glass there.
That's all the glass on the ground. Like, just from the windows being bashed out. Oh, they're hitting their cars. They're hitting their cars.
Hell yeah.
Holy shit, they're beating it. They're running back to hit them. They're running back to hit him. They're hitting the cop cars. Holy shit, they bashed in his window. They bashed in his second cop car's window. Holy shit.
Holy shit.
They're taking over another car. Holy shit.
Holy shit.
Oh, we got another one right here. Holy shit. They bashed in another police car's window. There's a second cop car's window who just got bashed in. Watch the road. They're trying to take off pressure from the initial cop car. They're gonna get a second cop car today. They got a girl yelling up there in the booth, and they're all yelling. Let's see if we can roll in the window and hear it. They're tipping the car. They're tipping the car.
Hell yeah.
They got the car. They're moving it.
Hell yeah.
They literally turned a car sideways. Holy shit.
We're just letting them fucking do it.
For real.
Hell yeah.
There goes gas.
Oh fuck, dude, roll up your window. Roll up your window. I don't want gas in here.
They're throwing cones.
Holy shit.
It's crazy. They got gas. They got tons of gas.
Holy fuck. Okay, hold on.
They tear gassed everything. Bring up the mask. Got our masks. They tear gassed the whole thing. We can't see shit. I'm trying to drive here. Here, start filming. Start filming. I gotta drive. Okay. Here. They're tear gassing everything.
Holy fuck.
Holy shit.
The people on the motorcycles are going the opposite direction.
They got a second car. They got a second car.
Roll down the window, dude. Need to get a better shot.
Okay. I can't breathe. Somebody's screaming. I think they threw the gas.
I can't breathe! I can't breathe!
It's because John Floyd said they...
No, George Floyd.
Or George Floyd.
Yeah.
Not really good with it, but it's...
My son is not a threat! My son is not a threat! No justice, no peace!
Holy shit.
I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I can't breathe!
They're screaming, I can't breathe. They're screaming, I can't breathe. People are on tables on the other side.